So I am someone who gives sizable charitable donations, and I'm someone who has a mortgage. And even with that, I don't itemize. All right. My taxes last year, when I looked at them, so this is 2023 taxes, I spent $18,000 on itemizable expenses. So that's state and local taxes, medical, charitable donations, and mortgage interest. And yet the standard deduction last year for a married filing joint couple was $27,700, right? So $18,000 versus $27,700. I didn't itemize. I took the standard deduction. But this year, Hurricane Helene happened, and I have been donating massive amounts of money to nonprofits in my area for grant relief funding. So here's a good example that might be helpful for you. If you find that you have a year where one of your itemizable deductions is outsized, so in a, maybe you're giving a ton to charity in a particular year, but maybe it's also a year where you have really high medical expenses, right? That might be a year where you're kind of close to the line on the standard deduction, going over your itemized deductions, going over the standard deduction. And for that reason, your charitable contributions for the year might put you over the top. Now, you're only going to really be benefiting the amount that they exceed the standard deduction. But even so, if you donate a lot to charity, it's really nice to get a deduction for it. So what some people do is they kind of pack together big donation years, and then in the other years, they take the standard deduction. So you can kind of keep an eye. This requires you to sort of keep an eye on how big your itemizable deductions are for the year and how close they're getting to the standard deduction amount. But if you find that you're getting close, okay, maybe this is the year for a big donation to charity. All right.